Okay, so index and logarithms again dengan dua soalan balik, which was the first one, find the value of this equation, and second one, solve. Okay, so both end of today you have to give the single answer. Okay, so and this question is without using calculator evaluate log 5 to, okay, meaning that the whole sum of this for this question you cannot use calculator at all, no calculator. Okay, so let me to make clear here that each of this question will give you high marks, so make sure you did in a correct way, because 3, 3 and 4 meaning that you'll get 10 marks in this question, which was a normal index question marks. Okay, so move on. Okay, this is the solution for A. 27 power of 5 over 3 divided with 81 power of negative 3 over 4 times with 9 power of 3 over 2. Okay, so the first thing first, for those yang study in Bahasa Melayu, okay, 27, 81, 9. Okay, you can come out atau you boleh kata all these ada di boleh dikuasakan 3. Maksudnya 3 kuasa 3 is 27, 3 power of 4 is 81, and 3 power of 2 is 9. In English also the same thing. You have to come out with the same base for each of this number, meaning that what was the same base for 27, 81 and 9. So as we know, it was in the what do you call that, table 3, CP3. So you have to just letak 3 power of 3 equals to 27, then you have to times with 5 power of 3, then you can cut 3 and 3, so you'll get 3 over 5. Same goes here, 3 power of 4 times with negative 3 over 4, you cut 4 and 4, you'll get 3 negative 3, and down the beside one, 3 power of 2 times with 3 power of 2, 3 power of 2 times with 3 over 2, so you can cut 2 and 2, so you'll get 3 power of 3. Usually this step would bring you the first mark. Sorry, the first mark is here actually. Okay, and then when you solve, okay, you'll get second mark here, and this one would be the third mark. Okay, there will be 3 marks. Okay, so as usual, if it is an division, you have to minus or subtract the power. So 3 power of 5 minus with negative 3. Usually know what the candidates will do, they will just put 3 power of 5 minus with 3 in a way that it is totally wrong, because this is negative 3, this one positive 3. You have to take the whole thing, so negative and negative will be positive, so 5 plus 3 lah, so it will be 8. And times, okay, when there is a multiplication symbol or simbol darab di sini, you have to use tambah. Kiranya you have to tambahkan the kuasa. So 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 3 power of 11. Okay, this is the main part where students will do mistake. They will tend to leave the answer till here, where the pemeriksa will put jawapan kosong, meaning that we don't have answer, we just have K1 and K2. So how we can give you full marks? 3 power of 11 is not the answer, because they ask for a value. This was the question, cari nilai, find the value. So this was not a value. Okay, we can still simplify this thing. So you have to simplify it. You can press your calculator and you'll get 177, 147. Simply you can get the 3 marks if you follow all these things. Okay, for B, 5 power of 2x minus 1 equals to 12. Okay, this problem as usual, you have to see the base. Okay, can you make it as a same base? For sure you cannot. 5 and 12 kita tadi dalam what you call that, in the same table. Okay, so you just bring 2x minus 1 to front. 2x minus 1 log 10 5 equals to log 10 12. Okay, and then 2x equals to, okay, you kumpul log all one side, because I want to find the value of x as what the question asks us. Stick to the what you call the instruction. Solve. The word solve stand for find value actually. Okay, and you have to find the value of x, right? Because x is the unknown in this case. Okay, so 2x equals to log 10 12, and this point where you put like this. Okay, so the first mark will be given here. Okay, you put log both side. Okay, you'll get 1 mark. Then you solve till here, and usually this either one. Okay, either one of these, either this one or this one, you will get the second mark, and the final answer correct, you will get the third mark. Okay, usually the final answer ni certain will give 4 decimal point, this one, and some will give 1.272. Okay, starting from 2021 SPM marking, they are very particular in the usage of decimal points or significant figures. So you try to see like 1.272 is already 4 significant figures, and if you put 0 it would be 5 significant figures, and this one 1.272 is good enough for significant figures. Okay, so as what we love to advise, give 4 decimal points or 4 significant figures. So we got 4 here, so just stick to this 4. Okay, because the 4 significant figures came first before the 4 decimal point. You get my point there? So that is the very important part lah on this. So 1.272 is enough, I guess. Okay, the answer is enough. Okay, and this one, the major part, evaluating without using calculator. Okay, meaning that you can't find 10 log 10 to the value, let's say lah 2.12. No, it's wrong, because we already stated to you that you cannot use calculator at all. So you have to use normal multiplication method, whereas you were only exposed with log 10 in your syllabus. Unless you take further, you will be use log 5, log 6, whatever lah. But as for now, we just stick for log 10. Okay, it's easier. Okay, don't make the the marker confused with your workings. Okay, so log 5, log 7, log 2, meaning that all the bases are not same, so we have to change to the same base. Okay, actually the same base is C lah. So let us put the value of C equal to 10. So log 10 power of 2. Okay, why 2? Because the formula to change base is log CB divided by log CA. Okay, B. So in this case, where is B? Okay, the down one is A because it came first. It's A, and this one is B. So log 10 B is 2 over log 10 5. Okay, A is 5. Okay, you'll get here 1, and the same steps here and here. Everything should be the same log, then only you can cut. Okay, so then here you can see log 10 2, log 10 5, log 10 5, log 10 7, log 10 7, log 10 2. Okay, so the thing is very simple. You can cut when it is up and down. Dia kena bertentangan, then you can cut lah. So this one log 10 5, log 10 5. Okay, in a opposite, satu atas satu bawah, so you can cut that. And then you can see here log 2 10 2, here log 10 2. You can cut also, and here log 10 7, here pun log 10 7. So you can cut everything because dia ada its pair. So when you cut it, you'll get the final answer equal to 1, and this was the value that we look for. Here you'll get 1 mark, then you'll get 1 change, you'll get 1, and then maybe one step of this one will get 1, either one lah, the second or third one, either one you'll get the second mark. And the final answer, the very important, but you can't put 1.00, no, just 1, because the calculator just give you 1. If you want to put 1.00, I think you're literally playing with the the marker. Make it simple, 1. Okay, because sometimes when they are marking, they are having more than 1000 scripts. So sometimes 100, although you put 1.0, sometimes they looks like 100, terus pangkau, you simply hilang markah. So why you want to do like that? Better take 1 lah, because it's a number bullet, right? So easy for you. Okay, so 1 lah, enough. Then you'll get the third mark. Oh, sorry, this was the third mark, and that's it. You'll get all the 10 marks in a while. Just in 10 minutes you can get 10 marks. So it's worth it for you, for those who are struggling, and for those who want to get A+. So make sure continue lah with this index and log. I think that's it. Thank you.